Welcome to the video demonstration of the Multi-Cloud Director. As IT organizations scale out their BigMon Fabric monitoring platform and BigCloud Fabric switching platform to dozens of deployments, they would like to simplify operations workflow for all these BigMon and BigCloud Fabric deployments. Multi-Cloud Director has been designed to provide a single operations dashboard for all BigCloud Fabric and BigMon Fabric deployments across on-premise enterprise clouds, public clouds, hybrid clouds, and edge clouds. Using an intent-based declarative provisioning model, Multi-Cloud Director enables globally orchestrated workflows across multiple controllers, including provisioning, day 1, day 2 operations, upgrades, and troubleshooting. The Multi-Cloud Director dashboard also provides complete visualization, including inventory, telemetry, and predictive analytics to streamline capacity planning and to ensure operational consistency across all your cloud deployments. Now let's log into the Multi-Cloud Director. Multi-Cloud Director provides a centralized database, centralized GUI, and a centralized search intelligence, thus enabling the admins to quickly visualize data across multiple BigCloud Fabric and BigMon Fabric and take immediate actions based on the anomalies, alerts, and on-screen reports. Each box represents a BigCloud Fabric or a BigMon Fabric controller that is being managed by the Multi-Cloud Director. Let's take a closer look. We can see the type of the fabric, controller version, uptime, connectivity status, fabric warnings and errors, controller CPU and memory usage, and the physical and logical scale currently being used by the fabric. Summary view also provides an easy access to log into the controller using CLI or GUI. Clicking the name of the controller takes you to the detailed view page for the controller. It also gives access to controller-specific actions like getting a list of active users currently logged into the controller. Now as we focus on the box below, we see an example of BigMon Fabric controller which provides similar details but specific to the BigMon Fabric deployment. One can easily toggle between the grid view or the table view based on the user preference. Now, adding a controller is easy. Just click Add, provide the IP address and the login information for the new controller. Here we can see that the Multi-Cloud Director already connected to the controller and figured out the fabric type and the version information. Next, we add the name, custom tags, and we are done. The new controller immediately shows up on the GUI. Multi-Cloud Director also provides a bulk add feature which allows you to add multiple controllers at the same time. Since the Multi-Cloud Director can manage a lot of controllers, it is important to be able to filter the list of controllers. Use Quick Search to search on any string or use any of the displayed values as input to the filter. Let's say you want to filter the controllers running a particular version. Just click next to the desired version and get the filtered list of controllers so that you can plan your next upgrade. Or use the advanced query builder to build more granular filters. Managing a switch inventory is made very easy with the Multi-Cloud Director. As we can see here, the Multi-Cloud Director provides a single pane of glass switch inventory across your data centers, providing valuable information about the switch like switch name, MAC address, connectivity status, performance stats like CPU or memory utilization, uptime, hardware information like the type of platform and the ASIC powering the switch, and the versions of ONI and CPLD on the switch. You can quickly sort any column by clicking on the column name. As an example, let's sort on the CPU utilization column to get an idea on which switches are running hot and might need attention. This is a very useful troubleshooting tool for troubleshooting ongoing issues or to take proactive measures to avoid potential issues across your cloud deployments. To take a deeper look at the switch, just click the name and it takes you directly to the switch page on the appropriate controller. You can also use any of the displayed value as an input to the filter. For example, if you want a filtered list of all the BCF switches, just click next to the BCF. You can further stack the filters to get a more granular list. Here we are showing all the BCF switches running a particular ASIC type. Or just simply use quick search to search on any string. For example, quickly find out which switches are down. You can easily export the table to a JSON or a CSV file for inventory management purposes. Now that we have seen how Multi-Cloud Director provides single pane of glass visibility into the physical inventory, let's see how it also makes it easy to get visibility into logical inventory like the EVPCs, segments, and the endpoints. Now, let's say you are trying to find a particular endpoint as it is having some issues, and all you have is the endpoint name. How do you find that across potentially hundreds of switches? Using Multi-Cloud Director's global search, with just one click, you can find out the exact controller, switch, and the segment where the endpoint is residing. Global search also enables you to search for any EVPC or segment. You can also go to the EVPCs, segment, or endpoints pages where you can export the entire list for inventory management. Multi-Cloud Director also makes it very easy to make global configuration changes like NTP or SNMP configuration, for example, and apply it to multiple controllers. Let's take a look at an example. Here we have two controllers that have no NTP server configured. Let's see how easy it is to add a server to both the controllers at the same time. We define the desired configuration and simply select all the controllers that we need to apply this configuration to. As we can see here, the configuration gets instantly applied to both our controllers. You can also replicate a particular controller's configuration and apply it to multiple controllers as we see here. Multi-Cloud Director also provides the ability to save the configured state by allowing the admins to perform snapshots. You can then either download the snapshot to your preferred backup location or apply to restore to a previous snapshot. For ongoing snapshots, you can create a snapshot job and select the frequency at which you would like the director to perform the snapshots. Multi-Cloud Director also provides an easy way to upgrade. Just upload the image, run the pre-checks, and you're on your way. To recap, the Multi-Cloud Director provides a single operations dashboard for all your Big Cloud Fabric and BigMon Fabric deployments across on-premise enterprise clouds, public clouds, hybrid clouds, and edge clouds, thus providing operational consistency and business agility across all your cloud deployments. Thanks for watching.